Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the inflatable wheel tea table in Heartopia. So Heartopia right now has a new event called Wheels event, and then in this event you can just get many special rewards from the Willful Canyon explorations level. That every level you can get special rewards, and then you can get this inflatable wheel tea table recipe after you reach level, if I'm not mistaken, after you reach level 2 or 3, like that. And then after you successfully get this recipe, it will add it to your workbench. So just go to your workbench like this, and then tap on craft, and then just search for the inflatable recipe, this one, inflatable wheel tea table. And then after that, just complete all the materials on here. You need ore, 5 ore, and then 1 drumming oak timber, and then 1 pearl. And then after that, just adjust the amount that you want to craft, and then just simply tap on craft like this. And just like that, you will successfully making an inflatable whale tea table. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.